Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to make free PayPal money in 2023 and free PayPal cash codes in 2023. Welcome to a brand new opportunity to earn free PayPal cash codes through PrizeRebel.com. This website offers various methods to make money online, and I'll guide you through the process of setting it on autopilot for passive income in 2023. Begin by signing up for a free account on PrizeRebel.com. After signing up, log into your PrizeRebel account. This platform is entirely free to use and requires no payment. Rest assured, access to this website is available in most countries. So, let's dive into the details and explore how you can make money online with this exciting opportunity. PrizeRebel offers multiple avenues to earn. Take paid surveys to participate in online opinion surveys. Earn points, accumulate points through various activities. Get free rewards. Redeem points for PayPal cash, Bitcoins, or gift cards. Membership benefits. Becoming a PrizeRebel member gives you access to a wide range of online surveys. You can complete these surveys at your own pace and redeem the earned points for instant rewards, including PayPal cash, gift cards, or Bitcoins. The platform boasts an extensive collection of rewards like Google Play gift cards, iTunes gift cards, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, PrizeRebel gift cards, and more. PrizeRebel offers easy redemption of your points and rewards. When you're ready to reap the benefits, PrizeRebel conveniently sends PayPal money directly to your account upon redeeming your points. The best part? You receive instant payment. Rest assured, your data is secure on this platform. PrizeRebel is one of the top ways to earn money online in 2023. If you're equipped with a laptop or cell phone and an internet connection, you have everything you need to get started on your journey. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Sign up for your free PrizeRebel account today and unlock the potential of free PayPal money in 2023. Before we move further, comment on your country and payment methods below so I can make videos for you. And hey, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. When you land on PrizeRebel's homepage, you can choose to sign up using your Facebook or Google account. Simply provide your basic details. Click Sign Up Now and you're ready to proceed. Upon signing up, you'll have the option to take a tour or explore the site on your own. Both approaches provide insights into the platform's functionalities. On the right side of your dashboard, you'll find the profile questionnaire. Completing this is crucial as it helps you match with surveys tailored to your demographic. Information such as gender, ethnicity, educational level, and more will be required. Accessing surveys is easy. Click on Your Surveys, where you'll encounter initial questions about your employment status, income, and more. These details aid in the survey matching process. You'll proceed to answer more personalized questions, including your birth date, gender, job title, and household information. These ensure you're a genuine participant and not a bot. Return to your dashboard to explore available survey options. Categories include long surveys, daily surveys, and more, each offering various point values. Surveys vary in points, and you can select surveys based on your desired earnings. Some offer 58 points, while others differ. Taking surveys. When you select a specific survey, the questions are straightforward. They inquire about your phone usage, travel habits, and similar topics. Engaging in these surveys is an enjoyable way to earn money online during leisure time. You can turn simple questions into earnings while having fun. Some surveys may request personal information. You have the option to decline such surveys if you're uncomfortable. However, these surveys often offer higher points for those willing to participate. In certain surveys, if you don't meet their specific criteria, the survey won't proceed. However, you may receive a note stating they will notify you when a survey matching your demographic becomes available. Now, under your name, on the top right part of your dashboard, you can access your account information, rewards history, points history, and referral status. Under the Earn section at the top of the page, hover your cursor and select Offer Walls. This action will transport you to a page brimming with diverse offers and surveys catering to various categories, From the plethora of surveys showcased, take your pick and dive in. Each completed survey rewards you with points, enhancing your earnings. Moreover, your opinion holds value and translates into points. Additionally, seize the chance to receive free samples and participate in giveaway promos. Prize Rebel extends a multitude of ways to earn for free. Engage in surveys, express your opinions, snag free samples, and partake in giveaways. The platform's offerings are abundant, catering to your preferences and interests. Now, hover over Win and select Contests. Explore different contest categories like offer wall contests, US-only survey contests, international survey contests, and referral contests. These contests offer additional opportunities to earn free PayPal money in 2023. Under Win, choose Raffles to access a page with various raffles you can participate in. Upcoming raffle draw schedules are also provided, offering yet another method to earn money online. Navigate to the Invite section and select Earn with Referrals. Use the provided referral link to invite your friends and family. As they earn, you also earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. For instance, if your referral makes 1,000 points, you'll earn 150 points. The potential to earn is limitless. Redeeming rewards. Once you've earned a substantial amount of points through surveys and tasks, you're ready to redeem your rewards. Visit the rewards section at the top and click on it. Scroll down to the bottom and click on PayPal. Choose PayPal Custom Amount. This takes you to a new page where you can specify the withdrawal amount. Click the button labeled Claim this item beside your specified amount. This action generates a free PayPal cash code, providing you with your earned reward. Redeeming free PayPal money is as easy as these steps. Engage in surveys and tasks, accumulate points, easily claim your rewards through the platform. In a world where making money online has become a sought-after side hustle, PrizeRebel.com emerges as a beacon of opportunity. This platform offers a genuine path to earning free PayPal money in 2023, all from the comfort of your own home. With a user-friendly interface, diverse earning methods, and the potential for passive income, PrizeRebel empowers you to turn your spare time into tangible rewards. Whether you're taking surveys, participating in contests, or referring friends, the journey to financial gains is both engaging and fulfilling. Embrace the flexibility of working from home as you transform your leisure moments into profit. Delve into the world of PrizeRebel to discover the thrill of earning, the satisfaction of your opinions being valued, and the joy of watching your earnings grow. Join the ranks of individuals who have tapped into this remarkable opportunity to make money online and redeem rewards that pave the way for new possibilities. Unlock the potential today with PrizeRebel. Begin your journey towards free PayPal money in 2023 and the countless opportunities ahead. Explore, contribute your insights, and revel in the rewards that follow, all while enjoying the satisfaction of making money online. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.